Yer. And you can say you miss all that we had, but I don't really care how bad it hurts. Yo, what is up, guys? What is up? Oh my god, I did not mean to do that. Give me one sec. I did not mean to exit my trading view. That's my bad. There we go. What's up, DT Trades? What's up, brother man? What's up, everybody? Yo, what is up, Arnell? What is good, brother man? Today is NFP Friday. So, this is what we're gonna do. Looks pretty bullish as of right now. Everything is kind of screaming bullish. I believe that this next draw on liquidity is this daily fair value gap here, and yeah, I believe that this could be the next draw on liquidity. This daily fair value gap here. We did have this order block, this little breaker, this little unicorn here. So we could see some upside here, but we did break structures to the downside. I was at 4R today, and it was like 3 ticks away from my TP, and it hit swing low. Dude, that is the fucking worst, bro. That is the fucking worst. Usually, like, I would, like, honestly, if I was that close, I most of the time will take profit, bro. Low key. But this is my analysis for the day. So weekly here, looks like we have a unicorn setup right here. We have a order block, we have a breaker block, fair value gap here, and we're kind of respecting it. We'll be closed below this candle here on the weekly time chart, but I'm expecting us to bounce back up still. And we are in this weekly bearish fair value gap here also. So we can see some downside potentially because we are in bearish structure at the moment on the weekly. Daily here, we could come up to this drawn liquidity up here. This sell side, this buy side liquidity right here that we have, and that is aligned perfectly with a daily fair value gap here. And we will be having a unicorn setup if we do come up and tap this daily fair value gap here because of this right here. Breaker block fair value gap here. So this seems to be the draw on liquidity right here. And then, but as of right now, 4 hour is bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 15-minute is bullish, 5-minute is bullish. Everything is bullish at the moment. So, yeah. I don't take partials, no break even, not partials. Oh shit, you just go all the way in, bro. Like if price is like here, let's say you entered right here, right? And your target was this. Imagine it didn't get stopped and you let it all come back down to the swing low. That is very radical, bro. Realistically, I would have at least put it to stop break even because there shouldn't be a reason for price to come back down to this entry at all. CPI day today. Yes, we do have CPI. It's PMI. We have PMI at 9 o'clock, or we have 2 PMIs actually. Here, I'll show you guys the news. We have 2 PMIs actually. We have this final services PMI that happens at 45, and the other one happens at 10 o'clock. So, lots of high impact news today. So we'll have to see what's going to happen. Like break even or break even or like a trail your stop because there's like if I entered here, there shouldn't be a reason for price to come back all the way down here at all. I would just put my stops at break even or take partials or something. We live and learn though. Letting price stop you out when you in decent profit would never make sense to me. Yeah, exactly. Like what is it? I'm like about to lose this shit. I need my coffee, bro. Like you shouldn't let price stop you out. If you're already in like high profits, move your stops to break even or like do something. Okay, so what I'm right here, I'm expecting this drawn liquidity, right? So this is also a unicorn setup here on the daily time chart here. We have a breaker block for a value gap right here, order block. So like I said, weekly is bearish, so I'm expecting some sort of bearishness confirmation to come lower here. So therefore, I want to see us go down after tapping this daily fair value gap here. I want PMI to pump news up to this fair value gap here, and then I'm gonna drop down on the 15-minute, wait for a 15-minute breaker structure, and then 5-minute breaker structure, and then enter off of that. But as of right now, everything is screaming bullish though, so I'm not really too sure because this daily fair value gap here could hold, because we technically have a day for it to like close above or close below. So as of right now, I would just wait, to be honest with you. Okay, market just opened up, so right now we just wait, bro. Market just opened. Dude, Tate McRae is so hot, bro. I don't know what it is, man. She is absolutely beautiful. Bro, I have work later today. So, I have work later today. So, Tate McRae. Hold on, I'll show you guys. She's the one that made like You Broke Me First, and she's like super popular now, bro. Hold up, this one. She is so beautiful, bro. Like, I don't know what it is, bro. She looks so much better now. Like, she's beautiful, bro. I want you to myself, but a bum 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 bum. I'm coming home. All right, so market's kind of dumping a little bit here. Not really dumping. It's just slow at the moment. But the thing is, we could just see, oh yeah, we sweep out this liquidity, this high up here, and then dump. That's the thing. Let me see if we have any SMT at the moment. We have bearish SMT still. That's the thing. From this high to this high. Bearish SMT still. And yeah, we have no SMT at the moment. Yeah, we have bearish SMT at the daily fair value gaps here. And then let's hopefully we come up to this drawn liquidity up here. It seems to be the next draw. Non-farm payroll 130 fake move, 230 real move. I got you. How much you still need to get funded, bro? I am up 157,545. So if you do the math, 9,000 minus 7,545.96, I need about 1,400. 1,454 and 4 cents to pass this combine. But at the same time, we have NFP Friday, so I'm like, I'll have to take like a really good trade for me to take it. But we're kind of rejecting off this level here. We have bearish SMT at the moment still. It looks like ES might run through this daily fair value gap here though. It looks like ES is making a run for it, so we could be pretty bullish because ES is filling it fairly perfectly, honestly, fairly well. Or what we could see is price come down, sweep out all of these lows, here, and then go even higher and target this daily fair value gap up here. That could be a possibility because we just get on sweeping out all these stack equal lows down here. Yeah, we have equal lows down here, swept. We have SMT. I would like it to come down to the 15-minute fair value gap here to rebalance, but we also have PMI news. So just one decent trading pass, fam. Yeah, exactly. So I'm saying, like, I just want to take a really good trade, but this I'm just like kind of like tape reading, I guess you would call it. Really think this may be a huge short soon. Yeah, so I'm saying, like, I want either price to come up to this daily fair value gap or start to break some or start to form some structure to the downside here. Like I said, start to form some structure to the downside here because we did sweep out this high and we're kind of struggling to go even higher, and we are still in this 4-hour imbalance that we're still tapping. Still in this 4-hour imbalance, but ES looks like it's making a run for this daily for like, it's like kind of like wicking above this. So because we just swept out this daily high up here, so we could start to form some structure to the downside here. ES looks like it's starting to break structure to the downside here. Now that I'm looking at it, we could come back and rebalance to 50% of this range or even OTE of this range right here. So OTE is this level down here. So we could look to, if we break structure here on the 15-minute here, it could look to start to be like prominent for shorts. Like I said, I'm just gonna wait because we have PMI news and everything. I was looking at that too, but the ES took the high. I was looking at that too, but the ES took that fair value gap and starting to form an SMT, so NQ doesn't have to go there. It might go there though. Yes. Let me see. Yeah, we don't have any SMT at the moment. We still have bearish SMT from this high to this high though on the higher time frame. But ES looks like it's about to break structure though on the daily on the 15-minute. If ES breaks structure to the downside on the 15-minute, I may look to take a short to target OTE level of the range. But at the same time, I kind of just want to wait for PMI news too. So I'm gonna just wait and let my options play out and see what could happen here. DXY is currently respecting CE of the daily the daily SIBI buy side. Let me see. Not buy side, but fucking inefficiency. DXY. But at the same time, we are bearish on the daily time chart here. We are bearish. We tap this new day opening gap here. We tapped it and started to form some structure. We dumped. We could bounce off of this daily fair value gap right here though. Could bounce. 4 hours screaming bearish. 1 hour screaming bearish. This could be a rebalance though. We'll have to see. ES looks like his ES is dumping a lot more than NQ is for sure. They're doing two completely opposite things. So I'm just gonna wait. Who knows? ES could push NQ down. Just confirmation for NQ to push to discount. Yeah, exactly. So ES is dumping here, and NQ is just still on this level here, not doing anything really, not breaking structure, not just kind of just waiting. I think it's gonna start to actually pump or come back to discount or even OTE range after PMI news comes out. So we have PMI news in about like 5 minutes, 6 minutes here. Because like I said, we did sweep out this high, and we could see some downside. That's the thing. Same thing with ES here. We swept out this daily high, and we could see some potential downside on the 15-minute time chart. So I want to see a 15-minute break of structure, drop down to the 5-minute here, and look for some sort of confirmation, drop down to the 1-minute, look to target discount first, and then OTE. Like I said, we just wait now. I'm calling a huge down move to the new lows. We could see London low, honestly. Fuck it. We could see London low, realistically. Like I said, I would like a downside move. That would be great. But everything on the higher time frame is screaming bullish. So, like I said, ES looks like it just came down. Tap this 15-minute fair value gap here. We could see higher. ES looks like this is going to be the next draw on liquidity before going back even lower. So we should run through this if you want to see higher. Because ES looks like it just got down sweeping at all of these lows. I may look to take one contract here if we one contract long if we inverse this fair value gap here, because it looks like that's going to be the next prominent draw for this. Oh, we do have this little fair value gap here too that we could just tap and dump. So I'm gonna wait. What indicator is that to see other session trading period? If you go to your indicators, just type in ICT kill zones plus pivots. Is this one by trade for op? And then you just turn it on and then see the kill zones. It looks like this is gonna be the next draw on liquidity here. We could see price push up to this draw here. Yeah, we're closing above this. Yeah. I'm not going to take this long, though. I'm just going to wait. But it looked prominent, though. We had some sort of bullish SMT here, I believe. Yeah, bullish SMT between ES and AQ. Looks like this is going to be the next draw. If you come back down to this fair value gap, I may look to take a long entry, but we'll have to see. Mill is right. Double SMT at the high. Let me see. Oh yeah, we do have SMT here. Bearish SMT. Like everything is screaming bear. Everything is screaming bullish, but we have SMTs at the highs, and I think we're gonna come up, tap this, and then just dump. Tap this daily for value gap and then dump here. PMI news is about to happen in like 2 minutes here. We'd like to see the manipulation down, the manipulation move for PMI, then booms. We have bearish SMT though, so. SMT's holding, starting to reject here. See what happens here. This could be the next draw on liquidity. PMI news is about to happen, or one of the PMI news is about to happen in 36 seconds. So I think we go hard until we tap the daily order block. This could, yeah, we could come all the way up to here. This is like what, almost 400 points here, or 400 ticks here. Like I want to see us break past this. All right, PMI is about to happen. 2 seconds. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's one of the PMI news that we have. We still have bearish SMT at the moment between ES and NQ. Okay, so this draw on liquidity is now taken. I want to see us go potentially lower. Like I said, we would need lots of confirmation for us to go lower. Everything is screaming bullish at the moment. So I would have, like I said, I would have looked to take a long here, but I wanted the price to come back down to this fair value gap here. This would have been like a nice little 150 tick play. But like I said, SMT here still on ES and NQ. We should break past this SMT though. So now we don't have SMT on the higher time frame anymore. So we're just chilling. We don't have SMT at the daily fair value gaps anymore. Now this SMT is now not valid anymore. Yeah, we don't have any SMT, but we are in this daily fair value gap here still. Also in this weekly, tapping 50% mark of the range from here to here. This is like a good spot to start looking for shorts, but at the same time, we have to be very careful. We need lots of confirmation for us to validate shorts here. Struggling to go up now. Or not, I lied. Where's the box that I drew? I was like, what the fuck? For me, SMT pointless. I tried in my backtesting. I was hindering my trading rather than helping. SMTs can be anywhere, honestly. Yeah, that's why I like to look at the higher time frames for SMTs, like maybe 5 minute and up for SMTs, not the 1 minute, because I've saw that, or somebody told me that it can literally happen in the 1 minute and be ran through. So I like to look at the higher time frames for the SMTs. Well, yeah, that order block does seem prominent though. Yeah, this should have been your like entry here, but we never got tapped. But at the same time, it's all good. It happens. It's useful if you're in a model and it aligns if your existing bias. Yeah, so like you only want to use SMTs if it's in your if it's in your bias, if it's in your strat, or the way that the market that you're projecting it for it to go, if that makes sense. Last manipulation move. See where price is more likely to go. It's more likely to come to this order block area here, which lines perfectly with this daily order block on NQ. So we could seek out this order block high. So maybe some retracement back down to 50% mark. We could see some potential upside here to this order block here. So I want price to come down, tap this 50% mark, or even tap this daily or even tap this 1 minute for value gap and go higher. That could be a possibility, because if you look at the 5 minute, it's projecting price to come up to -2 to 2.5 standard deviation, and it kind of aligns a little bit above higher than this daily order block here, like someone said in the comments here in the chat. Lines perfectly, so we could seek that out, if that makes sense. But like I said, I want to see us come down, tap 50% mark, and displace another extension move up. and then that's when I'll look to take my longs. Oh, dude, I feel like I haven't hit chest in forever. I think I'm gonna hit some chest and some triceps, low key, or shoulders, bro. I haven't hit shoulders this whole week. I think I've been slacking in the gym, bro, low key. I need to pick it back up. Because I've been working out with a girl and she only wants to hit legs, bro, and I'm like, oh my god, I need a break on legs, bro. Dude. You guys would not believe what happened yesterday at the gym. So I was creeped out, and I don't get creeped out in the gym at all. Like I really don't. But this creeped me the fuck out. So there's this guy, right? I don't know, like he walks in the gym, right? And I'm working out with my friend. She's a girl, and I'm just working out. I wasn't working out. I was actually training her. I meant. So I was actually training her, and what is it? I was training her, and I was like, "Fuck, I gotta piss." So me and him walked to the bathroom, right? And I let me mention this: I've never talked to this guy ever in my life, so I just think he's just a regular guy, right? I think he's a regular guy, whatever. I walked behind him. We went to the bathroom, right? And then he talks to me first, and I'm like, "Okay, what's good?" And he was like, "What's up, bro?" And I was, "How are you?" I was like, "What's up, man? How are you doing?" He's like, "Doing great." And then I was like, "That's good, bro." And then I was like, "I'm doing great too." I said, "What do you have today? What are you hitting today?" And he's like, "I don't know. I'm just gonna watch you work out." And I'm like, he said, "I'm just gonna watch you work out." And I'm like, haha, like I laughed, right? I laughed. And then he said, did you find that funny? And I was like, what the fuck is happening, bro? Because the thing is, I had to pee really fucking bad, and I literally could not piss because I was scared as shit. He's like, "Did you find that funny?" And the way he said it made it 10 times more scarier because he was super, super monotone. He was like, "Did you find that funny?" Like, like, like he had like no smile, no fucking emotions to it, bro. So I was like, what the fuck is happening? So I didn't even pee. That's the thing. I didn't even piss. I literally walked back out. And then like 2 minutes later, I can't come back in the bathroom to fucking pee. And then I tell like one of the people that are working, because the person that is working, I'm really cool with him, right? So I tell him, and then he tells me, he's laughing because it's funny, but it just creeped me the fuck out. I was just scared as shit. So then I tell the guy that's working, and he's like, "Oh yeah, like I think he has mental issues because his dad was talking to me about, because his dad, the guy that was talking to me, his dad also goes there, and I guess his dad told the worker that he was kind of mentally ill." So I'm like, oh shit, now I don't feel as creeped out, but at the same time I'm still creeped out because that shit was scary as fuck. So yeah, that fucking scared me, and that literally scared me I was paranoid, bro. I was just scared. But yeah. Yeah, it's chest day today, bro. So I want to hit some 225 bench maybe, and just fucking vibe out. Are you bulking? You look skinnier in your old Insta posts. Oh, dude, honestly, I've been trying to cut some weight, and it's just been hard, bro, because I've just been eating hella fucking food. And I'm trying to cut down, bro. I really am. And it's hard, bro. It really is hard, because I've just been eating and eating, and then eventually I just got bigger, but stronger. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to cut down now. Try to, at least. Legs, translation, thighs, and butt. Law. No, literally. It was literally just thighs and butt. And I'm like, bro, I really don't want to keep hitting legs, because my legs are already big enough, bro. So I'm like, oh, I really don't want to hit legs. Okay. So we didn't even tap this 50% mark, but we did tap this fair value gap here. So it was a nice reaction. I may look to take a stab long. I try to take a stab long, and because we did break structure, I'm gonna wait for a break of structure here first, and then I may look to target -2 standard deviation. I'm just gonna go with one contract. Like I said, longing up here is less probable, but I'm just gonna take the stab because we never tapped discount of this range, but we did respect this fair value gap here. We did respect this fair value gap right here. So what I'm looking for now is some sort of retracement back down to this 30-second fair value gap here, and I'll look to enter one contract. Just one contract. And I'll keep my stop super tight here. Give longs a stab. What the yeah, exactly. That shit was creepy as fuck. How many cons do you tend to trade with, Q? I try to okay, we're in. I try to trade with 2 contracts. I don't really want to go past 2 contracts most of the time. Um but if I see I should have saw like yesterday I saw a really good setup. I should have went a little bit heavier, but like a little bit heavier contract wise, but I decided just to stick with 2 contracts. So I tend to trade with 2 contracts, but this I'm only with 1 contract because I'm like not too sure what could happen here. And yeah. What's your calorie maintenance? I try to eat 2000 under 2000 calories, maybe even 1900 calories. I try, but at the same time I don't really calculate my calorie intake. I kind of just eat, but I know at the same time like I don't eat that much either, but I'm gaining weight, so maybe I need to track my fucking shit. So, do you own your own workout, fam? No, I do not, brother. I do not. What is the point of having a 150K account if you trade 50 count the same way? It's just you're paying more. Yeah, I'm paying more, but the next I am paying more, but I'm able to risk a lot more. If that makes sense. I'm able to have like a looser stop loss, and I'm able to just yeah, just have a looser stop loss, to be honest with you. Risky trade. Yes, I'm saying like this looks like I am. That's why I went with 1 contract here. Um, like I said, it was here earlier. I would have liked it to tap 50% mark of this range here, but it didn't. It respected this fair value gap right here, and now we displaced up after tapping this fair value gap here. We displaced up, broke structure. Now we're leaving a 1-minute fair value gap here, but I did enter off this 30-second fair value gap right here at the time. So this trade could work out. Like I said, I'm just waiting. We do have PMI news in 4 minutes, so I'm hoping PMI just pumps it up even more. So, how much? Oh, risky trade. Yeah. You can't trade with 2 minis in 50K count. You can. The max contract is 5 minis, like 5 actual minis. And the thing is, if you even go down like 50 ticks, you're already at your daily like max drawdown, so you can't even trade after that. So that's why I chose the 150K account and slowly grind it up. How much is the 150K account? It is about $150. At the beginning, unless you want to do full port, yeah, there's no point. Like the same, like there's no point of doing a 50K account unless you're like kind of a beginner and you're trading with micros. You gotta have a really good like strategy to do a 50K account with minis for sure. You can, but you would have to a really type stop loss. Yeah, exactly. Like each mini here, it's worth $5. Like each tick is $5. So that's why I'm like, if you're down 1 point, that's already $20 on that mini account, or that on a mini, if that makes sense. You have no clue about ICT and tight stop loss if you think 2 contracts is full porting. It's not. Yeah, two contracts is pretty decent. I think 2 contracts is not terrible at all. At all. Full porting is maybe like 5 contracts, depending on it. The contracts only matter if the trade is if you're really confident in your trade. If you're confident in that trade, obviously like go ahead, do whatever you need to do. But as of right now, I'm only with 1 contract because I'm not too confident in this trade because they're kind of slowing down here. You can have loose swing low trading micros. Yeah, but I think at the same time, you're not able to make as much, and it's a combine. So I'm trying to pass it kind of fast as possible. So it's like, 10 o'clock news. Yes, sir. We have a minute left. I'm expecting this to get respected here. And I'm only risking about 49 ticks, so like I'm only risking about like $245 on this trade here. So not risking that much. Care for slippage, yeah. We're about to break structure to the downside here. So I have a tight stop loss, so we'll have to wait and see. We got news in 30 seconds. We could get stopped out here. Oh my god. Let's fucking get I'm closing my position, bro. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Okay. Okay. We got okay. Okay. Alright. We got so fucking lucky there, bro. Holy shit. Okay. We got so lucky there. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Um We oh shit, we got so lucky there, bro. Oh my gosh, we got so lucky there, bro. What just happened, bro? Oh my gosh, yeah, we fucking we take those, bro. We take those. Oh, that is so funny, bro. That is not even like I'm not even like that. I literally could have gone so bad, bro. Um, so the reason why I took that, hold on, let me see where we got exited at. So oh, wait, 99.50. Okay, we sold at 833.50. Yeah, we got out right here. So a little bit over 2 OR, which is good. I've been doing options, so I'm used to not buying the whole share price, only the premium. Switch doing futures is contract that cost is currently future price. Yeah, exactly. So if you do options, you're not really buying the full share price at all. You're just buying like a premium, right? So for futures, if you're futures, you don't actually have to pay $18,000. It's each contract is worth about $250, $225, and you use that, and you can lose that whole $225 plus more, but you can make infinite amount, if that makes sense. Past the combine yet? I think a big short could be now the distribution phase of move beginning. Yeah, dude. Okay, so what I wanted to see here was like so we were right here, right? So market was kind of disrespecting this fair value gap, where we were filling in more of it. So I saw this, right, and I was like, okay, look, market is about to close. News is about to happen, right? News is about to happen, and we're here, and we're still respecting this fair value gap. So then it pumped. I expected this. This is what I expected it to happen. Believe it or not, I wanted market to come down to this. I really didn't, but at the same time, I kind of had an idea of what market could do. Market came down, still respecting this fair value gap right here, right? So when news was about to happen, we were still respecting this fair value gap. We weren't all the way down here. We were still respecting this fair value gap, and it pumped up because news pumped up. It saw this fair value gap right here that we were still respecting, and then we just pumped up and then completely dumped down, which is fine. Obviously, I'm not in it anymore. I made $600 off that trade. Lucky ass trade. I'm not gonna lie to you, but we are $900 away from passing this combine. So yeah, that was fucking crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. It literally pumped up, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting the fuck out, bro. Getting the fuck out. We got so lucky off that trade, bro. But at the same time, I kind of figured like this was gonna happen. Market wanted to come back down, tap this 1 minute fair value gap again before pumping news up. So it's respecting your original fair value gap. Oh shit. We didn't even tap this order block yet too, so, or did we? Yeah, we didn't tap this order block yet, so we could see some retracement back up. some slowly moves back up, but if we run through this fair value gap, we should see like London low or some shit, or maybe even discount or OTE of this whole entire range here. Right, OTE is this right here. So, like I said, now that we tapped this daily fair value gap here, and we kind of tapped into like more of the discounted area range of this daily fair value gap, I want to see is some sort of break of structure to the downside to validate these shorts. Like I said, ES completely dumped, still respecting this daily fair value gap here. 4 hour is still bullish. We came up, swept up these highs, tapped this breaker block. This whole entire up move is this breaker block, which we tapped perfectly, and now we're dumping here. So now I want to see a 15-minute break of structure to the downside on ES, because ES looks a lot cleaner right now. So I need to see a 15-minute break of structure to the downside, and then a 5-minute break of structure to the downside, and I'll look to target maybe London lows down here. So that's the next idea that I'm looking for, or even maybe OTE of this range, which is this right here. For our order block, see, like now we came down. Oh my gosh, holy fuck. Okay, so we came down, disrespected this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and now we could use this as an inverse to target maybe even lower. Get rid of these really quick, make the chart look cleaner. But we do have this little order block here also now, but at the same time we could come back up, tap this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and dump. That news was fucking crazy, bro. That was fucking crazy. For our order block, let me see. Oh, it didn't tap this 4-hour order block here on NQ. It did on ES though, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, right here. This is the whole order block here. Tap that, dump. Yeah, we don't have a bearish SMT anyways. Excuse me. Yeah, like I said, 4-hour order block where are you going to use the same amount of risk when entering the funding stage? The max size I'll probably go is maybe 2. To be honest with you, unless I see like a really good setup that I know that works. But as of right now, yeah, maybe 1 or 2 contracts depending on the risk and size and depending on the setup. You took a trade today? Yes, I did take a trade today. We took this lucky ass trade right here. I got it at 122 ticks, and then PMI pumped news up and then dumped. So I took it out there. Took one okay trade. So we have no breaker structure yet. ES looks like it might break structure first, so we might take that instead. We did tap this inverse right here. Now we're kind of dumping. So we did tap this inverse. Now I want to see some sort of displacement, but at the same time, I kind of want price to come up and tap 50% mark maybe before dumping. So, because we do have this unmitigated 4 minute fair value gap up here. So, oh my God, I always start to like make that sound whenever I drink iced coffee, bro. And it's kind of pissing me the fuck off. ready to die, not yet. Pull me out. The train wreck. Pull me out. So now, see, we tap this inverse here, right? We tap this inverse. We broke past it, tap this inverse, and now we are starting to get some displacement on ES. We broke structure. Oh, we were still in bearish structure, actually. We never broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute. But 5 minute here, tap this inverse. Yeah, tap this inverse here, and now we're kind of displacing down. I want to see us create a fair value gap here potentially for our shorts. But I'll have to see what happens here. We could come back up, sweep out all these highs, and then dump. Because we have to most likely come down to maybe discount area of this range or even OT level of this range before going back up maybe. Pan, sorry I came across your proper ass, mate. Just annoyed. You're good, brother, man. Yeah, we're like completely. See, like ES did the same thing. I mean, NQ did the same thing. I don't think I'll wait for a 15-minute breaker structure on ES. I'll probably just wait for a 5-minute breaker structure here. So we need to close below this candle here. Yeah, see, we're tapping this inverse right here. We're respecting this inverse. I might look to take a like an early short. We do have this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Like, I kind of want to take a stab short here, just one contract, and then stops at this high. Hold on, let me see. Did we tap discount at this range already? No, we did not. No, I'm just gonna wait. How long has this 150K account survived? 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, it's been about 2 weeks, low key. And I don't think I've ever been below 150, honestly. I think I was up and then I lost some, but I was never under 150 ever. So that's good. That's a good thing. All right, look. We came up, tapped this inverse. We have this 1 minute fair value gap here also. So now we're dumping here. I should have taken a short here, but I wasn't sure because we never tapped discount of this whole entire range. We're kind of just going up, down, up, down, up, down. And then I need to see another displacement move here. How long do they give you until you finish the combine? A month. You have a month to finish the combine, which is pretty long. Depending how much you're risking, and depending on news days and everything like that. So a month is pretty long. But if you don't pass it in a month, then you have to pay another 150. I entered 2 contra short on the 1 minute breaker. No, this is not a bad short here. I should have taken the short. I'm gonna wait for the second entry though, which should be this, and this should line with discount area. Now we have this little. Oh, what the fuck. Or we could wait for more confirmation and wait for a 5 minute actual breaker structure, because we could come back up, tap this 1 minute, tap this 5 minute here, and then dump. So this is now your order block. Like shorts don't look bad though. Nah, shorts don't look bad here. We have lots of we have lots of room for downside here. I think I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute break of structure first to validate it. Wait for a 5-minute break of structure, and then we'll go from there. Breaker. So breaker is like breaker is kind of like this is what I know about breakers. But basically, pass out this. So now this would be your breaker right here, and then this breaker is more likely a fair value gap inside, which taps this and then it dumps. So kind of like on the 1 minute here, it goes from down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So kind of like that, right? So see how each time, or not these two, but this one, up, down, up, breaker, fair value gap right here. That's what a breaker is. No, dude, Wait, no, dude, breaker is a high, low, higher, high. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, I thought this was, I thought this, like, up and down, like, order blocks are like this. Because I was taught that order blocks are, like, after sweeping liquidity. Like, this would be an order block. Wait. I thought order blocks are after it sweeps liquidity. So that's what I was taught. And then this would be, like, a breaker. The right at the top of NQ is the breaker. Wait, what time candle? I need to see it. What time candle? Yo, what's good, Justin? Justine? What's good, brother, man? Okay, so in case this is an order block, I need to see this like displace this displacement here. You can say what you like. See, I wouldn't die for you. Okay, so now we tap 50% mark. Now this is going to be my entry. If we can create some sort of fair value gap here, 1450. Show me, give me that. No, you're good. 50. This is the breaker right here. To 950. Yo, 950. How would this be the breaker though? How would this candle be the breaker? To each their own. When it comes to order blocks and breakers, it's just the way you were taught. Yeah, because TGR taught us that like this, like after sweeping liquidity is the order block, if that makes sense. So like for example, this would be the whole order block right here. This whole up move right here, from here to here, that's the order block. It's like he just taught us after sweeping liquidity is the order block. So that's how I was like kind of taught. That's why I said that was a breaker. A breaker is a failed order block. Oh shit. Okay, I got you. Fuck. Are you gonna make a Discord so we can show you the screenshot? Yeah, I do. It's in the process, bro. It's in the process for sure. Making a Discord very, very fucking soon. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, bro. I said after we hit 2,000 subscribers, that's when the Discord is going to be up. So yeah, I agree with Tao. When identify order block and breaker. A breaker is not an order block. Yep. Also, the screenshot. I'll send it to you. Yeah, exactly. No, 100%, bro. Like that. That was, I thought, because TJR. I saw TJR's video and he said it's after it hits a after it hits liquidity is the order block. So that's why I was kind of taught, like at first I was taught like this is the order block, but at the same time TJR said it only happens after liquidity is swept. So then now I was like, okay, yeah, that makes sense. So like this would be your whole order block after it breaks structure. Like this would be your whole order block. Boom, last manipulation move, it broke structure to the downside. This is the whole order block. So that's why I was like a bit confused. A breaker is the potential order block. Oh, okay, I got you. So like this, so this would be considered an order block, right? We're expecting 50% mark of the range. I need to see a 1-minute breaker structure here because after this move, we tap for discount area of the range, and we could look to target this low maybe, and maybe even did some. Think about it as a failed order block. Okay, I got you. I got you. So like this would be oh yeah, okay, I got you. I guess that makes sense. Yeah. So if this breaks above this candle here, these two candles right here, then this now is the breaker, right? Okay, I'm gonna look to take an entry here if we can break structure to the downside right here. Because we're respecting this 1 minute here. Tab discount of this range. I'm not sure. I don't want to take this yet. I'm not too sure. So now I want to see us come. I want to see a 1 minute create here. A 1 minute, one minute for everybody get created right here, and target maybe OTE level of this range. Because we do have this unmitigated 15-minute fair value gap here. I do guess everyone looks differently from my understanding. A breaker is only valid if it causes a market structure shift. Higher low, higher high, last candle at the swing low before the higher high. Pretty much. Watch the video that I linked above. How much are you up on the combine? I am up $8,100. I need $900 more to pass this 150K combine. Yeah, breakers could also show us a willingness to shift market structure. I think we just wait, bro. Pull me out, pull me out. We did tap this 15 minutes, so we should see some upside maybe to tap this fair value gap here. And we did tap this hourly fair value gap here also, so. You could say what you like, we'll see. Not gonna lie, I took 2 melatonin before took 2 melatonin last night, and I feel kind of good, but I feel really fucking sore, bro. And I don't fucking know. Hit a 26RR on GBP USD before news. Get shit, brother, man. 2.6R is really high, bro. That's high as fuck. That's really good. It's like slowly going down. ES does look a lot better though, low key. Break a structure soon in 5 minutes. What's up, brother? What's up, Mitz? Oof, tofu. Likely rebound to 15-minute order block at 17,971. We could see that, honestly. After tapping this imbalance here, we could see some upside here. Tap the order block and then dump. So, what do you do for work? I work at Target. I work at Target. That dumbass. No, I'm playing. Target's not bad. It's just a lot of work. But I work at Target for a little bit, and then once I do that, bro. Once I get it, hopefully like get it pay out and like slowly grind it out. I could hopefully quit, and I go to Miami, bro. Fuck it, for a month. Now I'm playing. Was SMT could validate breaker as well. Do you also trade forex or just futures? I trade only futures. I don't trade forex. I think I don't know. I don't trade forex. I think we proceed lower next week in the premium daily fair value gap right now. Let me see this. Yeah, I think we go lower next week too, because we are tapping into this weekly fair value gap. You displace below this fair value gap here. We should seek lower, more than likely. I think I might wait for another 5 minutes here, to be honest with you. And Q looks like it's about to break structure to the downside here. And once we do that, I want to see some sort of... So this would be your order block, right? This would be your order block. No, I think Forex is way more manipulated. That's why I don't trade it. Yeah, no, Forex just has too much fucking news, bro. I just don't like it. At all. So I want price to come back up here. See how it looks like price came back, tap this order block area, and now we're dumping. So I kind of want to see some displacement here. Like I said, I want to short here at this fair value gap here. But ES does look a lot cleaner. That's the thing. I don't think we're going to get retracements, to be honest with you. I think we tap OTE level of this range and then just go up. I think I might wait the 3 extra minutes, bro. Low key. Hold up. Hello? I don't know yet. I don't think he is. In the living room? No. Okay. Okay, bye. Alright, so we're tapping into this fair value gap right here. I kind of want to take this short, but it's like... I'm not... The thing is, I'm not sure. Hit discount range. I kind of want to take this short, but it's like I'm not even really sure, so I'm just gonna wait because I want to see. Respecting the VWAP so far, taking a short kind of just say is yikes, to be honest. Yeah, like I don't use VWAP, but I know taking a short is just not in the favor in the books right now. If we can break structure in the 15-minute here, I'll look for some sort of retracement back up, and then look to take a short there. Looks like you could have entered along here. Looks like we just completely inverse this fair value gap here after swooping out this low. So just wait. Keep a high probability of the tau so you could pass that funnel. Yeah, exactly. So I don't want to take something that's like low probability right now. Like I said, it is NFP Friday, so food for thought, like ICT loves to say. The thing is, I don't really watch ICT's videos, to be honest with you. I really don't. I watch like other people that make videos on him, you know? So did we cap discount of this range or something? Okay, we did tap discount of this range, but it looks like we just could be coming back up and tapping this unmitigated 5-minute fair value up here. Still tapping this inverse, still respecting it. But I don't like how strong this bullish move was. You can say linked, or do you have a bot that deletes them? I don't have a bot. What link are you talking about? I don't see a link. Spent a couple months in the lab watching ICT Mr. Strips last year. Oh, bro, as you should, bro. As you should. Always learn from the actual creator. You feel me? But I think I only watched like one of his videos. But just Swirler on top. He's a good trader, bro. He really is. He takes a lot of losses, but his winners are 10 times bigger than his losses. So that makes him a really good trader for sure, 100%. You can say what you like, but see, I wanna. I'm so thirsty, bro. $10.24 is the breaker. Let me see. Because like, see, this is the failed order block. Justin's market maker sell model really helped me out. I watched it. I think I watched that. I watched a little bit of it and I was like, okay, this looks kind of confusing a little bit. I'm saying it works. Just want to show you. Yeah, exactly. So I'm just gonna. I want to see us respect this first. I'm not gonna take it blindly. I'm gonna wait for a tap and then displacement up and then enter. But after sweeping this low out right here, price just could be rebalancing to this inefficiency up here, this SIBI, and then go lower. TJR bootcamp on top. Yeah, the thing is, TJR made it so simple. Low key, he made it so simple, and that's why I think I got it. You know what I mean? And he's a goat, bro. He really is. Have you passed fundies in the past? I have. I've passed 2 fundies, but they were both 50K accounts. So, yeah. I think I've got one payout from Top Step, and that was like only like $900. You see a SIBI, that's a unicorn play. That's SIBI instead of breaker. I thought a unicorn is a breaker block fair value gap. There's no breaker, right? TJR first or seconds are the best part. No, literally, it's only the 20-second part, bro. It's literally the first fucking part, and then I just exit the video right after that. Trust me, bro. That's exactly how I felt after finishing his boot camp. Yeah, exactly. Like he made it so simple to the point where it was like, oh yeah, it's actually more simpler than I thought. Like, I had like the biggest trouble figuring out what the fuck a breaker structure was. I was like, how the fuck does this work? And like, he made it super simple. Like, this is a breaker structure here. Like, he was like, oh yeah, it's the last candle before like the opposite candle happens. So I was like, oh shit, this is a breaker structure here. Boom, breaker structure. And like, some other people made it 10 times more confusing. Like, they would be like, okay, yeah, like this would be the breaker structure right here. And then yeah, it was just like a lot of like, he made it super simple where I got it to the point where I was like, okay, yeah, this is phenomenal, bro. SIBI is this fair value gap. Yeah, this sell side. Yeah, this is SIBI. Best part of boot camps where he dissed ICT. Oh, I didn't know he dissed ICT, bro. What the fuck? SIBI fair value gap. Yeah. Yes, I'm using TJR strategy. Currently bullish, looking for this 1 hour fair value fill with the 5-minute breaker structure to the upside. Like I said, like the higher time frame is just screaming bearish. So I'm like, weekly's bearish, daily is in a daily fair value gap. didn't really tap this order block, which I would have wanted. 4 hour is 4 hour looks like it just got done sweeping up external liquidity. 1 hour is tapping to this day hourly for a value gap. 15-minute is still bullish. It looks like 15-minute tap this 15. Looks like this 15-minute. Looks like we tapped this 15-minute fair value gap here, and now we're kind of respecting it. 5-minute is still bearish. I could look to short here, honestly. Tap this bearish imbalance, but we could come back up, retap this, sweep out this liquidity up here, and then go even lower. But for me to validate it, I need to see this imbalance get ran through. I watched like every ICT video. He does his jawbone a lot, but you get a lot of extra things from him you don't learn anywhere else. It's just like a lot of boring parts to get through. Yeah, no, exactly, 100%. That's why I think I stopped watching it, to be honest with you. Do you think the dollar is bearish with the bad news? Let me see. DXY. Looks like we're kind of respecting this 4 hour fair value gap. Looks like we swept out this external liquidity here. And I think we could see some potential upside, honestly. Looks like we might run through this hourly fair value gap, which is a good sign. I think it's starting to rebalance price. It may look for more buy side liquidity. Your stream made me want to sleep. My bad, bro. My bad. My bad. Like, I would play music, but like, it's like I'm gonna get copyrighted, bro. And it's like, fuck's sake. Not really disses, but he's not really disses, but he says that he overcomplicates things in a funny way. I'll try to find the video for you. Yeah, like I said, ICT does overcomplicate his shit, bro. It does. He does. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, look. This is what I'm gonna look at. If we can break past this 15-minute for a value gap right here, we'll see some more upside. We'll actually see this order block up here. But if we respect it, displace even more, break structure the 15-minute, we could see this OT level of the range. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So I'm just gonna wait. TGR strat X time-based liquidity definitely the turning point for me. Exactly. He made liquidity super fucking simple, bro. Everyone made it like fucking 10 times like more confusing. Like, I didn't know what the fuck liquidity was, bro. Jazz non-copyright music. I always use this one, bro. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm playing through my speakers. Oh, that was fucking... my bad, my bad. You guys hear it? No, it was the speaker, bro. My bad. I didn't know it was not. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna do that, bro. My bad. My bad. My bad. Hopefully, you guys can hear it. At 50. I may like to take an entry here along, maybe after sweeping out these lows. Tapping this fair value gap right here. Displace up, broke structure to the upside. This fair value gap is now respecting. Do you always wait for liquidity scoop every day, or if one happened a day before, do you just wait for call flows to go along? Yes and no. Usually I like to wait for liquidity sweep, but if it's just a continuation, I'll just look for retracement to the 50% mark and then go along with that trend. Oh, did you lose one scalp today? I only took one trade today and I won that. And yeah, it was pretty much a scalp, I guess. Kind of a gamble, low key. We have an inverse on the 5 minute. Where? Yeah, oh yeah, we're holding this inverse right here. Like I said earlier, we're holding it still. Should run through it though. Likely consolidating for a while. Bet, bro, appreciate it. No, of course, brother, man. I should have longed here. This looks great for longs though. Even though we have this BPR and this, I could have looked to target this 1 minute for value gap up here. We'll see if price comes back down. This should have been a good sign. This whole wick down candle should have been a good sign. Bro, it's not unprofitable, bro. Like I said, I'm like so close to my goal, bro, and I've seen so much improvement in my trading. I feel like I'm super close to being profitable, bro, and I am just lost for words. So ES is now tapping this 15-minute fair value gap here, and we respected it fairly well. So I don't even know. I think we still go up because everything is screaming bullish at the moment. At the same time, like, it's improbable trading. Because same thing will happen here on ES. Right here, tap this, respect. Tap this, respect. Broke structure to the up. It's about to break structure to the upside here. Oh, right here. We're still in bearish structures, believe it or not. You never broke structure onto the upside on the 1 minute. Hold up, my dad is calling me. Hello? I know, hold on, I'm busy right now. Give me 1 second. I know, I'm busy right now. Give me 1 second. Like, my dad is so OG, bro. So, like, he doesn't, like, understand, like, when, like, whenever I said I'm busy, like, I'm, like, doing something, he just thinks, like, you have time to come get it. Which I do. I honestly could go get it really quick. I'll be right back. I'll be right fucking back. Give me 1 second. Oh my god. Alright. My dad made me fucking breakfast, so that's great. Appreciate him. Let me show you guys what we have right now. Let me see. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Let me make this shit big because we're kind of waiting. Oh my god, my acne looks like shit. Let me show you guys really quick. We got some pad thai here. Hold up. We got some pad thai here. We got like noodles, shrimp, and some fresh parsley because my parents like they have like a garden or whatever. So it's like fresh parsley. Obviously it's washed or whatever. But we have that for breakfast, you know? Like this is Asian. This isn't like white people stuff. You feel me? Like we eat actual like lunch, dinner shit for breakfast, bro. For real. But as of right now, we wait. He thinks you're playing Fortnite. Boy, you better go down before I start bringing the slippers up. Bro, for real, like, my dad is an OG, bro. He's an OG, so I gotta like just do whatever he tells me to do. He thinks you're playing Fortnite. The thing is, he does think I'm playing Fortnite, bro. He was talking to me one time, and he was like, "Man, you're always playing the game where they swing the pickaxe, bro." Because I was always farming mats, and whenever I was farming mats, he would always come in my room, and he would just see me like swinging the fucking pickaxe, bro. And he was like, "You always play that game?" And I'm like, "Yeah, it's like the only game I play." Do you think the dollar? Do you look for the dollar when placing a trade? I don't. I used to look at the dollar a lot, but now I don't. I'm kind of just no. I kind of just don't look at the dollar anymore. Okay, so right now we missed our entries for long, which is perfectly fine. We're about to like displace through this. So now what I'm looking for right here is some sort of confirmation for longs. Obviously, bearish, a bullish structure. 15-minute is 5-minute is bullish now. I'm not really too worried about this fair value gap right here. I would like to see some sort of retracement back down to maybe this fair value gap right here, and I'll look to take a long if we come back down to this fair value gap here, and I'll look to target high of day or even this order block up here. So now this looks very good. Now we don't have a higher time frame imbalance in the way like this 15-minute, so I would like price to come back down, tap this, and yeah, and we do have this 1-minute fair value gap here. So like I said, this is what's going to happen. I want price to come down, respect this, break past this fair value gap up here, and then I'll look to inverse this fair value gap here and target this high or this order block up here. So that's what I'm looking at right now on NQ. Bon appetit, my boy. Yes, sir. What time is it where you are at right now? It is 9:45 a.m. bro. 9:45. This actually looks good. Yeah, bro. It's pretty good, bro. But like, it gets tiring because my dad always makes pad thai, and like it gets, like, I'm not bashing it. I'm just like, it's good, but it's like when you have it every single, like almost like every single day, and it just gets kind of annoying. But I respect it for sure. Bro, you better kiss his feet or give you 80% of your future's payout, bro. For real. Like, the thing is, I want to give him some money because like I've like kind of been living rent free, and like, I appreciate him a lot, obviously, both of my parents, because I get to like sit down and just fucking work my fucking ass off. But obviously, I want to give him some money. Straight fire, bro. Good eats. No, exactly. Good eats. Why do you think I'm so fucking fat, bro? Why do you think I was skinnier back then than I am now? Because I be eating this type of shit, bro. But it's fucking fire, so. You Viet. I am not Viet. I am Hmong. It's like kind of unknown, but in Oklahoma, bro, they're starting to be like a lot more Hmong people here. But they don't really have like the same mindset as me. So I kind of don't hang out with any people that are like my culture, really. I don't really hang out with anybody. Did you take any trades today? I took one trade up here and I won that, and that was the only trade I took so far. It's consolidating. Ugly price action for real. It's not consolidating, it's making an expansion move here, which I like. Looks fire. Yes, sir. Damn, I wish you would have bought. Damn, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I just wanted more confirmation is all. Just wanted more confirmation to validate it because we have all of this unmitigated bullshit up here. So I didn't want to risk it. Damn, dog, I love Asian food. You gotta do cooking tutorial with your mom and dad. I need to know how to cook those Asian dishes, bro. Like, dude, the thing is, my dad said he's been wanting to like make a YouTube channel and like cook food and like vlog his fishing stuff because he likes fishing, right? And I'm just like, it's gonna be hard, bro. And I feel like he's gonna like be very unmotivated if he doesn't get views and like likes and subscribers and all that stuff, you know? Because I think that's how most people are like once they don't see process or progress, then they just stop doing it, you know what I mean? Sounds like a plan. How old are you? I'm only 19 years old, bro. I turned 20 in June. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for about a year now. A year and a half. So, pretty pretty long, kind of. And like I'm so close to like being profitable, like very close. Mongolian? No, I'm not Mongolian. It's called Mong. It's HMONG. Let me show you guys really quick. Like this. We're from Thailand, I guess. Yeah. Southern China, North Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand. Yeah, Mong. Southeast Asia. Large numbers have immigrated to the U.S. That's crazy. What the fuck? That is fucking crazy. That is fucking crazy. Why is my trading view fucked up now? Hold up. There we go. That's crazy. That's crazy. You should start a Discord. Yeah, bro. I plan on making a Discord. I told people that whenever I reach 2,000 subscribers, that's when the Discord is gonna be opening up. So, because I don't have time to make a Discord, so I'm gonna be paying someone to make the Discord for me. So, like a Fiverr guy, you know. Okay, we're tapping to this 1 minute now. I need to see us respect this, come back up, inverse this fair value gap, and then I'll look to target high of day. And this order block, the higher time frame. I can see my trading analysis getting better, but price ends up always missing my entry, or I'm too scared to take out early. Tips. I would say paper trade, bro. That's how I was too. What is it? I would always take my profits too early, and I would miss about 100 ticks, or like I would take it out knowing that price is more likely to go there, but I would always take it out early because I was just emotional. You're just very emotional, is all. I would say just let it run, bro. Let it paper trade, practice letting it hit your take profit, and that's how you'll grow as a trader. I'm being for real though. He'll have 1.9k supporters a day. No, for real. No, for real though. Your props to Cloud Chaser. Nah, it's just like I love him. You know what I mean? So it's like I don't want to see him fail because he like you don't ever want to see your dad fail. You know what I mean? So it just hurts. You know. Almost 2k subs. Oh, Ty. Yeah, nice. Look at me, bro. Shut your ass up, boy. You playing. You playing. You fucking playing. It's fucking stupid, bro. That's so dumb. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, now we're dumping here. My boy's playing, my boy. We'll see what happens here. We're not really doing what I wanted to do. We could just dump. But I just don't say about a breaker being here. This breaker here. Where you learn ICT? So basically I was in this Discord group and they were teaching options at the time. But this one guy, he was doing ICT and he was very good at it. He was winning all his trades, and then I finally talked to him, and then he taught me to like ICT, futures trading is a lot better, blah blah blah. And I was like, oh shit, that's where I learned it. And then I started doing research ever since. Yo, you see where price went and touched that bearish breaker again? Yep, I saw that. This is the 950 breaker that you guys were talking about. Tap that. Now we're dumping. But for me to validate this now, I need to see a 5-minute breaker structure, because it looks like we tapped this 5-minute fair value gap here, mitigated it, and I need to see a 5-minute breaker structure to validate it now. Excuse me. We have bearish system T at the moment right now between ES and NQ. We broke structures to the upside barely, but I just want to wait more. Oh, what the fuck? Look how perfectly that first fair value we draw out on the ES after it is reversal. Where? Let me see. Look how perfect that first fair value be drawn out on ES when is after reversal. What do you mean? This one? Too many unicorn got tapped. Insane reaction. Let me see. 2 minute unicorn on NQ. Oh shit. We barely tapped it though. That's the thing. We barely tapped that, but we still tapped it. Who knows? I might look to enter. Enter some shorts maybe. That was a good reaction though too. But we're tapping this order block here too. But where's higher time frame showing us that it wants to go? We are tapping into this daily fair value gap, weekly fair value gap, bearish, both bearish. It looks like we might tap this inverse, this 5 minute inverse. Shotty said you be Asian, don't help either. Dude, wait, did you see that TikTok? Wait, you guys saw that TikTok? Wait, you saw it? Shotty said you being Asian don't help either. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, no, I was not expecting that fucking her to say that at all, to be honest with you. At fucking all, bro. At fucking all. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy. On the 5 minute chart, we have an order block on the OK, the 935 leg up. Talking about this. I think we still go lower though. CE of wick and BPR 717992. Yep, BPR here. We also have another BPR right here also. So shorts don't look bad. Would like it to come to 50% level here first though, for entering anything. Which step equal lows in the 1 minute. That white girl you work out with trying to smash no cap. You hit that yet? No. I did not hit that, bro. I did not hit that. I did not hit that, bro. That's so funny. Hold on. I'm going to take a picture of that and send it to her. That's so funny, bro. Hold on. I got to take a picture of that. That's so funny, bro. Hold on. Hold on, bro. But my dad's calling me again. Give me a second. Hello? What? No, I'm doing something right now. Give me like 10 minutes. God, that's so funny, bro. That's so fucking funny, bro. And bullshit team left. Yeah, bro. We'll see. I want us to come up and tap this 50% mark of this range, or this right here on ES. Tap this fair value gap up here. We have bearish SMT, fair value gap right here. Want to see us respect that? Oh, what the fuck is happening, my boy? We displace past this 5 minute here. Imagine that is the actual girl writing this, wanting you to hit that though. No. Trust me, bro. She does not want to. She's a innocent little hairstylist girl. I think I might make a TikTok with her though. Like she's gonna cut my hair and shit, and we're just gonna like make a little talk, like a haircut talk. You feel me? Because I'm gonna pay her some way, and some I'm gonna pay her. You feel me? You got to be the living proof that they have completely wrong about the Asian meat. Yeah, bro, that shit fire. That shit fire, bro. What you mean? I'm just fucking being stupid, bro. That shit fire. That shit is fire. Straight fire. You gotta bring it out of her. The thing is, she thinks I'm a red fucking flag, bro. So it's like, there's no, she would never get with me because she knows I'm a red flag. She thinks that I'm a red fucking flag. We're gonna make a whole like TikTok about it too, bro. That's what the plan is. But like, I don't want to be with her. You feel me? I don't want to be with her. Low key, she's like weird, but she's not. But she's like a good friend, like a good gym friend. We're not tapping any imbalances here. Non-farm employment and unemployment a bit worse than predicted. Yeah, bro, it's just a lot of just chop, bro, low key. Like we chopped like a lot during the morning, like chopped a lot during like afternoons, and this should be the manipulation move to the upside here, tapping a higher time frame imbalance, and this should be the distribution move. Hopefully tapping this BPR or this fair value up here, and then dumps even more to maybe OT level of this range. How are you a red flag? It's just like you guys never like. I'm like a fucking. She thinks I hoe around a lot. Like she thinks I talk to too many girls, which like what is it? I'm a very outgoing man. Like I can talk to literally anybody for hours, bro. So she just thinks I'm a red flag because I talk to a lot of girls and all this shit. Q got more red flags than the Chinese parade. No, for real, bro. Dude, no girls like the thing is like I want like a good girl. Like I want like a girl that can cook, clean. Like I want the basic girl, you know what I mean? And it's like so hard to ask for now because everybody wants to be independent and like everybody wants to like just be fucking they them or like some shit like that. And I'm like, bro, that's just like I'm trying to find a good girl that can cook, clean, all this shit. Just do the basic shits in life, you know? That sound like she insecure, kind of a red flag too. No, the thing is, she is insecure. I know she is. She tells me all the time. She tells me all the time, bro. Like she's like insecure, but then she like I feel bad because like she wants me to train her to get a bigger butt. Obviously, I think that's every girl's dream is just a big butt, you know. So I'm like helping her and shit, and like she thinks I'm a really good gym partner, so that's good. I agree. He dodged a bullet there, bro. I be dodging bullets left and right, bro. Left and right. Wow, everyone is independent. Strong woman with an OnlyFans. Exactly, bro. Like everyone wants to be an independent woman now, and like I'm just like over here looking for the basic fucking women, bro. Like the basic shit. Like a girl who can cook, clean, like loves God, like wants to learn about God, Christian or whatever, and just like a fucking regular girl. Doesn't even have to be a 10, bro. Like she just has to be like she just has to have like a great personality, bro. Realistically, you have to go to Thailand for a wife. Trust. Fuck no. You know, it's proven that like maybe over 50% of girls there are fucking trans, and like they're trans, bro. That's just the reality of it, bro. They're all like trans, bro. I don't want to sound like a fucking dickhead, but like they're all fucking trans. You have to go to Thailand for already the other one. And go for a wife, come back with a transformer. No, for real, bro. That like I said, like they're all fucking trans, bro. You gotta have a cake to show them how to get a cake. No, for real, my ass is big, bro. Low key, like low key, bro. Laughing my ass off. Yeah, exactly. Like, that's why like everyone. I was like telling people I was going to Thailand, just for like because my friend was also in Thailand at the time, and fucking what is it? Everyone was like, "Oh, you're gonna be so much trans girls over there," and I'm like, "Huh?" And then they were just like, they kept saying it. And I was like, "Oh shit!" And then I searched it up, and majority of them are just trans people, and I'm like, "Oh fuck, no fucking way." Who knows? My mom could be trans. I don't even know, bro. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just. Okay, we broke structure here. Excuse me. We broke structure here. We have this order block. We'll see what happens here. I want to see us come back to a higher like time frame fair value gap here. This marks perfectly with the this 5-minute fair value gap marks perfectly with this discount level here. Same thing with ES. ES looks a lot weaker. So, oh my gosh, my dad keeps calling me. Hello? I know, give me like 10 minutes. I'm doing something important right now. I know, I'm doing something right now. I'm busy right now. Give me like 10 minutes. Damn. Why doesn't the girl like you? She don't like how you look or you like your personality. No, trust me. If you saw that TikTok, she was like talking to me like I was her best fucking friend. Like I think the reason why is because whenever I talk to a girl, I act like they're my best friend instead of like romantically. So they only see me as the best friend, which is perfectly fine. Like I think is I don't want to get with her. I do, but I don't. You know what I mean? She's like I feel like if me and her dated, we just wouldn't last long. And the thing is, she has a fiance. So that's also a thing. But she's also a red flag. So it's like she has a fiance. I forgot to tell you guys, she has a fucking fiance. So that's literally it. She has a fucking fiance. What would you do what would you do if you made out with a trans but didn't know, then you find out when they pulled it out? Dude, the thing is, I told my friend this. I was like, "Hey, what if you like make out with a trans person?" His answer was so fucking funny, bro. He was like, "I'm gonna kill them, and then I'm gonna kill myself." And I was like, "Oh my fucking god!" There's no. It was the funniest shit ever, bro. The way he said it was so calm, so it made it 10 times funnier, bro. It was just funny as shit. Accept defeat, bro. Literally, bro. That's why I gotta make sure, bro. What would you do if you hooked up with a trans person? I would probably like beat their fucking ass, bro. I would be like, "What the fuck is this? Like, what is this? What am I looking at, bro? Your shit's bigger than mine." I'm just. Oh my god, that is funny as fuck. Accept defeat, bro. But in Thailand, they don't hide like that. They don't hide that like there. They say I'm a lady boy when you meet them. Lady boys. That's probably like stop swinging that pickaxe. You get your ass downstairs, bro. No, he thinks I'm playing games because I'm always telling him that I'm busy doing something, and he doesn't think I'm busy because he thinks I'm just playing games and shit. So that's probably why. But once like I show him that I can make money online, I think he'll probably like back down a little bit. You just want a booty call to let her know that. Oh yeah, I tell her that all the fucking time, bro. I tell her that all the time. Ha, she has a fiance. You forget the most important thing. Thing is, like, the thing is, her fiance is a red fucking flag. Also, her fiance is a red fucking flag. Also, so it's like, So it's like I don't even know. Like she tells me that it's like she tells me all the time that he's a red flag, that he doesn't really care, and like he's also in the military too, but he's stationed over some fucking place, and or he's stationed in Missouri. So like I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. Okay, so we're respecting this order block right here. It looks like we might look to take a short here if we can get a fucking fill. Fiance is crazy. Q bagging the MILFs for real. Trying to get fired from Target today. Dude, I'll be a fucking menace, bro. Like there's this girl there, bro. The girl that works with me, bro. She is beautiful, bro. But she has a fiance too. The thing is, she's so flirty, and I'm like, bro, what is up with these husbands not taking care of their wives, bro? They be acting like a menace. Okay, we're dumping. Yo, what's up, man? Trust no woman. No woman is safe, bro. No woman. Trust no woman. P&L today, it is $605 today. We're like $900 away from passing this combine. I might like to take this short here, though. If we can come back and get filled. Just one contract, though. I kind of want to take... I want to see us get tapped here. If I found out my wolf was flirting with another man, it's raps. No, 100%, bro. 100 fucking percent. I don't blame you, bro. It's raps too, bro. Trust me. I would literally lose my shit and go gay after that one. I would literally go gay, bro. Stop playing. Oh, fuck. I almost clicked sell on accident. Okay. Like I said, I'm waiting to see a better reaction. Maybe come up, fill up even more. Who knows? Kind of want to tap this little breaker area here. Or this order block-ish. See if we can get filled here. Oh my god, I'm risking a lot. This should work regardless. I kind of want OTE level of this range. But we could just see 50% mark of this whole entire thing. Hold on, give me a second. See if we can get filled here. Looks like we might not get filled here though. You can't let your wife work with Q, bro. No, dude, for real. I'm literally a menace, bro. Like, guys and girls can't be friends. Trust me. They cannot be friends. I don't give a fuck what you say. They cannot be friends, bro. Bro, when you going for a funded Apex pass, after I pass this combine here and get a payout, I'll most likely go to Apex and get like fucking 30 Apex accounts and just fucking go off of that. Hopefully we can get filled here, bro. Would you hit that if you could? Yeah. Yeah, mine as well. It's there. It's free. Bro, $900 profit, and 50 losses yesterday. Up to now, 600. Let's go. Hold up. Hello? Oh no, hold up. I'm almost done. Man, he thinks I'm swinging that pickaxe, bro. Okay, so hopefully we can get past. Hopefully we can get entered here. I might like just to say fuck it and oh, okay, we'll get if it's entered at this 50% mark here. We should see 50% mark of this range. If not, then I guess we don't get fucking filled. Whatever. They can only be if the guy doesn't want to sleep with the girl. The thing is, like, we don't know. The thing is, like, we can never know if the guy wants to or not. He's not gonna say it up front if the girl doesn't say anything first. You know what I mean? Because what would be the benefit of a female friend except their marriage? Because what would be the benefit of a female friend except their minge? No, exactly, 100%, bro. I don't doubt you at all. Like, what's the point of me having a fucking female friend? There really is no point. It's just a booty call, for real. There's no point. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. It's not gonna happen with my girl. And like, I wouldn't have female friends either. There's no point. Yeah, like coworkers or whatever. Like, I understand, but like hanging out alone is just completely different. Okay, well, it looks like we're kind of slowing down here. I want us. We did inverse this fair value gap here barely. I want us. I might like to take like a short entry at this inverse here. We did inverse this fair value gap here. We do have a BPR here. Said I'm not trying to FOMO here. We do have this BPR here. Let's see if we get filled here, hopefully. Still waiting. Ain't but no girl that got a military man. The thing is, I respect him as a man too. But the thing is, like, she's telling me about, like, all this like red flags about him, and it just makes me like, damn, like that could be because the military men cheat a lot too. That's the thing. It goes both ways. It goes both ways. The thing is, she loves him, which is good. But like, I don't know what the fuck she's doing working out with me though. But I guess like because I'm like the only Asian she knows, and I'm like the only gym guy she like knows too. So I guess I'm just there to help her work out. I guess as a man, you should know that men don't give a fuck if the opportunity was there. Like, you would take it too. Yeah, exactly, 100%. Because imbalance and bang bang bang. No, for real, bro. Like I said, we did run through this imbalance here. Let me get rid of this shit. We did run through this imbalance here. The only problem I have with this trade right now is that we have this unmitigated 5-minute fair value gap, which we could come back up and tap, and we could run through this imbalance here, which we are right now. Looks like, yeah, we did displace through this imbalance here, but we also did inverse this fair value gap here too. So could get stopped out here. Now we're using it as an inverse. We need to run through this. We can't use this as an inverse. My food's cold now. You gotta fill her in balance and then sweep that liquidity, if you know what I'm saying. 100%. I'm giving her liquidity, bro. Tight shit. I'll let her come to me. I'll be the liquidity. Oh, I'm gonna make her liquidate. Tight shit. That's what I meant. Hello? Okay. Swing limit might be too tight. Like, I don't really, because now we're using this at inverse. I should get out of here, but I think I'm gonna put my swing leg right here just to minimize my risk, because now it's like not looking too prominent at all. I should put myself up here. Or I think we're gonna get stopped out regardless, though. We'll see. Let it play out. we are kind of like, we have like this little order block right here, right? And we did break structure in the 15-minute here too. So like I said, this trade doesn't look bad. It's just I'm not really fucking with it. We didn't even tap 50% of this range too. We could get stopped out here. We could come back up, sweep out like lower time frame liquidity, which should be this. These highs up here. But I'll have to see. I'll have to wait. But I don't down more downside. Tell her you're my liquidity when you make her look in the eyes, bro. She is, I don't know. She's pretty. She's just I don't know. I don't know, honestly. Swing too tight, and we have bullish SMT. The whole day been booty. Let me see. Do we have bullish SMT? Okay, we do have bullish SMT actually. Now that I'm looking at it, thing is, this shouldn't hold though. That's the thing. It should not hold. We should see more downside here. We did break structure in the 15-minute. 5-minute is bearish. Everything is starting to scream bearish here. I think I'm gonna hold it through though. So now that I saw that we broke structure in the 15-minute here. Barely broke structure here. We could just be coming back down to this imbalance. That's the thing. This BPR here, like we said, we have to run through this BPR here. We have to run through it. Should tell her, man, she being too flirty. I'm pretty much, no, the thing is, like, I'd be flirting with her on purpose, and she would be denying it. She denies my flirtiness, but at the same time, she just says "cool," like yellingly loud, and like, I don't even know, bro. She's loyal. Like she we've never done anything. Period. We've never done anything, and I've like tried to like go on with it, and she would just be like no. So she's loyal. Trust, she's loyal. I just don't like how like she's like flirting with me, and she's not flirting with me. She's just hanging out with me. She's like we don't hang out besides the gym at all. So that's that for sure. But other than that, we don't really talk as much. That she being too flirty. She's not being flirty. I'm pretty sure you do. I'm pretty sure you do know, bruh. Bro, what your dad told you to do? Been like 20 minutes. No, he wants me to babysit my sister right now, but he already left, and my sister's watching TV right now. So after this trade hits, I'll have to get off. Nah, trust me, she doesn't want it, bro. She doesn't want a good 2-incher, bro. Trust me. No, I'm playing. Alright, I think I might move my stops right here, actually. I don't want to see us go higher than that. Okay. Whatever, it's fine. It's better taking a smaller loss than just fucking. It's all good, guys. We are up $291 on the day. We need like 1,100 more to pass this combine, and I have to go. Like I said, good trading overall. We got pretty lucky today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like I said, I'll have to look later in the PM session to find anything good. So, other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all Monday. GG's, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys for joining.